Hey plant gang, one of my absolute favorite plants and really one of the most popular perennials, Heuchera or coral bells. And we're just going to talk about hybrid Heucheras in general. Although I need to tell you that I'm standing in front of a straight species of Heuchera. This is Heuchera villosa, which is actually native to Tennessee and the surrounding regions. And it's very pubescent. It's completely covered in fuzz. It's got these big green leaves. I can see some bloom stalks coming up. And Heuchera villosa has really been the parent plant that has been really good for breeding Heucheras and really bringing in different characteristics or attributes that makes this a really good landscape plant. Actually in front of me, the color has faded a little bit. I have in my hand, and I hope that you can see the dark part of the foliage on the back here. This Heuchera villosa hybrid, or just Heuchera X, called Caramel or Caramel, and it's got great dark foliage and it's popular in the landscape. And you can see this big kind of bunch of Heuchera that's in front of me. One thing that makes it such a great landscape perennial is it actually keeps its foliage. It doesn't die completely back down in the winter time. Great plant. Use it in containers. Use it in different spots where you need a sturdy plant. In particular, the Heucheras that are fuzzy are great for hotter places, the southeastern United States in particular, because they've got parentage of this one, Heuchera villosa, in it. So a great landscape plant. Check out Heuchera. It gets basal foliage. As the foliage gets ratty, which it will in the summertime, go in there, prune that ratty foliage out, and it will reward you with a rejuvenation of new foliage. Now you will see different leaf sizes on Heuchera in general. That's because most of them that you'll find on the market are hybrids, and so there'll be different size leaves that you'll find, but basal leaves coming from the base of the plant, 6 to 20 inches high, spreading out 6 to 18 inches wide and with a clumping habit. Hardy from zones 3 through 9, so this is a perennial that's used throughout the United States. Some Japanese beetles can hit this, maybe some weevils, mealybugs can be problems. You just need to watch it, but with the fuzzier cultivar that you pick, the less problems that you'll have with that. Here's a landscape tip. Prolong your bloom time by deadheading and supplying supplemental moisture in dry periods. Part shade is best in southern gardens.